It was a setup. Nah, it was a setup with Gary Campbell.
Yeah.
This ain't no setup. Did he say I didn't want to do nothing?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he the one keep talking. I'm betting 400.
Who you betting that fucking
Tony.
Oh, Tony gonna win?
I got that motherfucker. He always talking. He ain't gonna do shit.
I done bet somebody 40 on the other side for the Tony.
He been sleeping. He don't do nothing but sleep. You gonna count? You gonna count that week bitch? Fucking count.
Man,
fucking count.
Hey, I'm better, 100. You wanna say some shit?
This race not fit.
I think
ain't nasty. You count. Don't count. Don't count that week. We just called Blueberry Muffin in the motherfucking oven, baby. Hey, we don't go up like this. We gonna go in the real.
Oh, in the real?
Boom.
Yeah, that upper.
Boom. In the real. We going for the fucking
Raspberry.
boom.
Man, I done told you, dog.
Fucking
Raspberry.
Hey, man,
I done bet it 40.
Tell my scrap.
Oh, yeah.
Scrap was the weakest bitch out here.
Yeah.
That's the next weakest motherfucker. They ran in a row.
Yeah.
Both of them weak bitches.
Weak bitch.
Weak bitches. Weak motherfuckers. Weak ass shit. Weak ass shit.
King Hawthorne right here.
Oh, you can see the sport.
Yeah.
I bet you something else. Man, that man got 2 cars. Tony like a motherfucker. Get tired like that. Yeah, that man got 2 cars.
Damn.
Got 2 motherfucking cars.
Some more money.
Stop it there. Thank you, sir. Stop it there. Stop it there. Something happened this morning. Something happened. You can sit underneath. Something happened this morning. Oh, you can see the sport.
Yeah.
I bet you something happened. Man, that man got 2 cars.
Hey, man. I can't let you talk too long, no, man.
Blow them in the wind. Hey, look out. They like dirt. They washed up. Tony got fucked up.
How are you feeling now? Don't see me now. Right here, no.
Don't take me my money, man. Keep your tune to the front.
He ain't giving that thing.
Tacos are like, hey, wake that music up, man. Wake that music up, man. Put it Tony who? Put it Tony who? Put it Tony who? Hey, race is luck. It's lucky, see. They got lucky.
Yeah.
Men had about 2 cars.
Damn.
That means men had about 2 cars.
Damn.
That means slept.
Pretty Tony.
He been sleeping. He don't do no fucking count.
Man,
Fucking count.
Hey, better, 100. You wanna say some shit?
I think.
Hey, nasty, you count. Don't count that week. We can call Blueberry Muffin in the motherfucking oven, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm playing out of him or quit.
Got Ray Day driving. God, tell them. Uh-oh, here we go. We got Cliff and Ray, y'all. They finna make another shakedown. We gotta see if it's getting stronger. See if it's able to whoop my Caprice. Sound like they got the timer down low. Peeled it up. Don't scare me now. Hold on, y'all. Look, he wanted me to get it from the front. Hey, Mita, hey, y'all, you got that intake, right? Okay. You on my YouTube channel? Here, this it right here. I'm gonna record your truck, man. Make sure you subscribe here. Give on the HUD. Tell your uncle now, we live. You finna show him what your truck doing. You been doing all that work to this truck. Talking about this running, all this tuning. Let's see, man. You already got the tune, right?
I got it, I promise.
Oh, you got it? Okay. He got it. He got it. Let's see what he got, y'all. Oh, he going against Tila Tico. He going against Tila. I heard Funkertown saying the other side. He ain't got it, y'all. He ain't got it, y'all. I promise. I promise, y'all. He ain't got it. Funkertown said this side. I wish I could bet him. I want to bet him, y'all. Yeah, my boy getting them lined up. Yeah, I'm right here, man. Funkertown told me to go right here, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta listen to Funkertown. Oh, boy say he got it, though. Here we go, y'all. It look like he got it, y'all. Ooh! Funkertown. Golly. Look.
I think he got
No,
off.
he didn't.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
a fucking truck race. No, he didn't.
Hey, man, that guarantee he got off the
I ain't trying to hear
gas.
that, Tyrone.
Yeah.
Hey, man, listen.
I ain't trying to hear
Yeah.
He got off the gas, man.
No, he did not.
Man, you crazy.
You want to ask him when he get back?
He
I got the video right here.
Ask me, did it get
I
off
zoomed
fucking-
in all down there. Back with me in the showroom.
He got the game.
Hey, give me.
I always pop your ass on. Every time we bet, what I do to you, murder? What I do to you,
You
murder?
done it twice.
Hey, what I
If
do
I
to
think
you,
this
murder?
was proud somebody was red.
Hey, what I do to you, murder?
That damn tooth in your mouth red.
Say, hey, look at me, look down.
Yeah.
I guarantee he got off the game.
Yeah.
He could have went around this motherfucker. Them motherfuckers be rigged and racist, man.
Yeah.
They rigged goddamn racist.
Oh boy, did tell me he got it. When I got it on when you go back to go look at it, Funky Town,
Yeah.
I went up to him. I said, "Hey man, you need to do it, bro." I got it.
I got it, I promise.
Oh, you?
Oh,
He told,
right here.
yeah, this side, this truck. He told me he got it. I ain't lying.
Man, that turbo car was winning around. I guarantee you winning around and got off the game.
Yeah,
Guarantee you winning around and got off the game.
yeah. I said, "Man, what the hell?"
I hate that shit, look down.
That, you don't like
I
that?
hate that big shit.
I got it, I promise.
Oh, you? Yeah.
I know that dude can beat this fucking truck.
Yeah.
This truck got a good lead and that's it.
Yeah,
That
one.
bitch top in. Say, man,
I got it, I promise.
Oh, you?
soon as he hit, and
Yeah.
he spin. You saw that?
Yeah, he
he
spin.
was spinning right here.
Yeah, he ain't do
And you know damn well he was gonna go around.
I got it, I promise.
Oh, you? Hey, y'all, this the one who said he gonna win, y'all. That's the one said he gonna win, and he came up and won. Hey, everybody was betting again. Hey, Funky Town said that was a setup. You set that up, y'all. He said y'all set that up.
No, that only called me out.
He said, man, ask Funky Town, man. He said you and the other dude, y'all got together and y'all set that up.
You know damn well I don't think that.
It was a setup, I was putting money on it.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought you had to know.
Cause Funky Town, he lost all the money. He bet it with the other car.
Bet with me.
He said, see,
I don't think nobody matched no bet.
I don't know, man. He said y'all done set it up, man. So I'm gonna go back around there and tell him that wasn't no setup. I'm gonna go back around there and tell him. I'll be right back.
That man spit. When he took off, dude, he
Yeah.
spit.
And then he it looked like he let the truck get out there a little bit.
Yeah, got off the gas. Come on.
Yeah, that truck looked like,
Yeah, that shit spit.
yeah, yeah.
We're gonna gap this down, you know.
They be doing that shit, man. I ain't that old fix shit, man. Hey, if this truck hadn't spit, that would been different.
Yeah.
This motherfucker spit. So I know he finna go around his ass. He
Yeah.
got off the gas to let him
Don't make it through
Got
there.
to make it look good down
make
there.
it look, yeah.
Yeah, Rob G said that's blood money.
Blood money.
Yep,
Blood money.
yep. Blood money don't last long anyway.
Popped in the ass.
Yep. So it's gonna come back around.
Hey, you see that bike let him win a while ago with the white, you know that bike that
Oh yeah, yeah.
let him win. Let him got way out there and then had like something wrong with the bike. They be bullshitting, boy.
Everybody go shout out, everybody go follow, look out, racing.